This brand spanking new 2024 camper can sleep up to 10 people and is under 6,000 pounds. She just arrived on the lot this morning. It's a 2024 Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL. This hunky is 5,854 pounds dry and 31 feet 9 inches from tongue to bumper. Good camper for a game day cookout. We got the outdoor speakers underneath our nice big awning, flat top griddle with the mini fridge out here. Wowie zowie. I hope to God my Lions can bring it home this Saturday against the Broncos. Let me hear those game day predictions in the comments. Normally we go in through the front. We're going to go in through the back entrance on this one. First thing we see is our porcelain foot flush toilet. Just kidding, it's plastic. Nice standing shower with a skylight. Coming out this bathroom door, we find our way into our living area. Wowie zowie. And then if we do a 180, we find our nice corner cut double over double bunks. Great spot for the kiddos. Their iPads will never die with this double USB port on each bunk. We've got curtains here for privacy and then storage underneath. Over to our left, we have a nice spacious pantry. Wowie zowie, fit a ton of your dry goods in there. Our 10 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator has the travel lock built in to keep our bevies in place when we're going down the road. And pretty standard kitchen here. Undermount sink, detachable faucet. We got the roly-poly dish dryer rack thing. One of the biggest key features of this unit is this Versa Lounge. That's what it's called. It has a ton of storage underneath. We got bins galore down here, bin city. You know what I'm saying? And it can be changed around in a lot of ways. You can flip this to a U-shaped dinette. Bada bing, now you got room to dine with the whole family. Or you can just change all of this into one big weird looking bed thing. Boom, now you can sleep however many guests you can fit on that, John. Definitely kind of ugly, but functional. All the way up in the front, right below Bro. He's actually a really good guy. We're starting to get along. We have an electric fireplace, Furrion soundbar, and then you can mount a TV right above his head. And then finally, we'll head into this bedroom in the very front. Nice big tinted windows in here. Fantastic views for you and your honey baby. This bed has Versatilt, so with the flip of this switch, we can raise and lower it. Wowie zowie. Now we got a nice king bed. We do have our CPAP cubbyhole thingies on both sides. We can open these up, reveal some spots to hang our clothes, and then we actually have little laundry hampers on either side of the bed, which is a nice little feature. Underneath the bed, we do have 4 big old storage bins, and we have access to our pass-through. If you want to know more about this budget family camper, please give me a call. The phone is in the bio. And of course, let's go Lions.